Hi, my name is Daphne Peleg, and this is week 5's video journal. So this week's question asked, what are some of the main ethical and legal things to consider when being both a consultant and working at a school? And I think the main thing that pops up into my head at kind of first glance is making sure that you're treating them both separately. Obviously, one is in a school setting and it has its own district policies, school policies, things that need to be considered, versus as a consultant, although you are not protected by the school, it has its own kind of separate rules, and just making sure that you're following state laws. So the school is obviously a little bit more restrictive in the sense of policies, procedures, laws, in that sense. Another thing that comes to mind is also just making sure that you're not really recruiting, if you will, from the school to your own practice, and making sure that you're not overstepping those boundaries as to, okay, like you know, within the school setting, I can only see you 5-6 times versus, you know, let's dig a little bit deeper and why don't you come and see me outside of the school, and kind of building your business that way. That would be a huge, both ethically and legally. There's risks to that, and legalities to it. But those would be my two kind of main thoughts right off the top of my head.